I thank to my dear student, both higher secondary and the degree also. I'm very grateful to you for giving me the opportunity to cutting the cakes. Today, on this 5th September 2022, it's become 60 years of Teacher's Day because all over India it started from 1960 to start as a observation the Teacher's Day, and today on the Bard University of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan it's become 134. So on the occasion of 134 Bard University, today the 60th Teacher's Day of all over India, and on this honor day you've given me the opportunity to cutting this cake. That's for my blessing always be you all, and I request you all teaching staff and chief guests along with invited guests to cooperate me for this occasion. So please, Alongta sir also close to me.
Love in our heart, with joy in our life, we welcome you today. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. 1, 2, 3, let's give it cheer. Yeah, we welcome, hearty welcome, ready welcome, cheerful welcome, great welcome, joyous welcome, gracious welcome, lovely welcome, loud welcome. May God bless you, may He always guide you, may He
has said, teachers are the backbone of a country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. Today I feel honored to stand here and welcome our prestigious teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. A teacher has given utmost importance because a mother's home gives a shape to a human body, but a teacher gives shape to human values, which further strengthens our society as humanity and helps it in becoming progressive. A teacher opens a window of thousands of opportunities for students to lead them on a good path in life. At last, I would say the Teachers' Day is not only about celebrating our teachers, but also about inculcating their values and carrying their teachings ahead to the coming generations. Okay, thank you.
I would like to go my friends to over with